Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by installing the Vim extension in Vscode and enabling it immediately. This gives you modal editing without leaving the editor. Once done, reload the window and confirm normal/insert modes show in the status bar so you know it's active. Make sure you set a few basic mappings like leader and a fast JK escape to make mode switching fluid. These initial steps remove friction and let you practice core motions right away while preserving existing Vscode commands. You now customize mappings and settings to match your workflow. Open Settings, JSON and Set Vim. Use Control keys Vim, leader and clipboard integration so copy-paste works as expected. Then add specific remaps for visual block editing, a fast save shortcut, and search toggles to speed navigation. Once those are configured, make sure your language server and snippets play nicely with the Vim extension, because conflicts can change behavior. Test each change incrementally, so you can revert a single mapping if something breaks. Complete your setup by adopting common Vim workflows. Use registers and marks to jump and store text, and record macros for repeatable edits. This makes complex edits fast. Then install compatible plugins like Surround and Commentary that extend editing without breaking Vscode features. If things go wrong, check for conflicting keyboard shortcuts or extensions, disable one at a time, and reload the window. If a mapping still misbehaves, restore default settings and reapply only the essential custom remaps to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.